Alright, so here we've got the Lazy Flowerpot. Intelligent type. Strong and tasteful design, ABS material, imitation porcelain. Straight cylinder, solid wood legs, and high and low level water monitoring. We got some kind of gardening tools. It's kind of neat. Oh, they're metal. Yeah, that is metal. That's nice. I feel like I can do one of those little sand gardens. You know what I'm talking about? And the pot. And the case. So let's put the legs on. These are pretty nice legs. They feel good. Alright, so this is where things get interesting. So this is where you would add water, and you can see it just runs out the bottom, and that will fill up this reservoir. So this string is going to sit in the bottom of the reservoir, and it's going to soak up water, and that's going to transfer that into here. So that's going to keep your soil moist all the time. And that's what makes this the Lazy Flower Pot, which is perfect for me because every plant I've ever had has died. Alright, so just like that. And on top of that, there's a sensor that's going to tell you if the water level is low. So this will actually remind you, hey, get it together, your plants need water. Pretty cool. Let's take a look. So this is the sensor. Pop that boy open. Put your 2 batteries in. Drop it closed. Nothing to it. And then if this soaks up too much water, they got these little screens in the bottom, right? So it'll actually drain too much water out. That way you're not going to be getting mold and all that nasty stuff that goes along with if you were to let me take care of a plant. So cool. I might actually be able to have a nice plant in my house again.